Welcome to the download.
Downloading.
Hi, I'm Elijah. Welcome to the download. Today we will walk through the new translations feature. Note, this feature is only available through our premium feature, Variations. Let's start with a 30-second video in the editor that is in English. To begin translating, simply click the Variations button. You'll notice two options to cut down and reformat and translate. Let's choose Translate. You'll see Spanish as the language you can translate to. Spanish will be chosen by default, but we'll be adding more languages soon as we continue to develop the feature. Select Spanish and then hit Generate to create your translated video. The on-screen text and the voiceover will then be translated to Spanish, and your new video will be built. Our aim is to provide a translated video that is close as possible to the original script, while also ensuring that your new scripts fit your template and runtime. This means that your video might not be word-for-word translation, but rather a video that is consistent in pace and tone to the original. Enjoy translating your video with this new feature here at Waymark. Have fun!
Downloading.